Cheese, a word that brings a smile to many faces. Few foods inspire such passion and variety as cheese does. It's a universal favorite, enjoyed in countless forms and flavors. From creamy brie to sharp cheddar, cheese holds a special place on tables worldwide. Whether it's a simple snack or a gourmet dish, cheese elevates the experience. But have you ever wondered how this dairy delight is made? The journey from milk to cheese is a fascinating one. Let's journey into the fascinating world of cheese and milk factories. These places are where the magic happens. These factories are bustling hubs where milk, a simple ingredient, is transformed into a diverse array of products. It's a blend of art and science. Beyond cheese, these factories are also the birthplace of other beloved dairy products. The variety is truly astounding. Creamy yogurt, rich butter, and so much more. And refreshing buttermilk all start their journey in these facilities. Each product has its own unique process. The process of turning milk into these varied products is a testament to human ingenuity and our deep connection with this nourishing liquid. It's a story of innovation and tradition. From ancient times, milk has been a staple in many cultures, valued for its nutritional richness. It's a link to our past and a vital part of our present. Transforming milk into cheese and other products not only enhances its flavor and texture, but also extends its shelf life. This transformation is both practical and delicious. This innovation allowed our ancestors to preserve a valuable food source, highlighting the important role dairy processing has played in our history. It's a legacy that continues to evolve. It all begins with fresh milk, often sourced from local farms. The journey from farm to table starts with the careful collection of this essential ingredient. The milk is carefully inspected for quality and then pasteurized to eliminate harmful bacteria. This crucial step ensures that the milk is safe for consumption and ready for the cheese-making process. This ensures the safety and longevity of the final product. Next comes the magic. The transformation from milk to cheese begins with the introduction of special ingredients. Special bacteria cultures are added to the milk. These cultures are carefully selected to create the desired flavor and texture of the cheese. These friendly bacteria are the true cheesemakers. They initiate the fermentation process, which is essential for developing the cheese's unique characteristics. They work their magic by converting the milk sugar, lactose, into lactic acid, which causes the milk to curdle. This curdling is a vital step in forming the cheese. As the milk thickens, an enzyme called rennet is introduced. Rennet plays a crucial role in further solidifying the curds. Rennet helps further separate the milk into solid curds and liquid whey. This separation is essential for the next stages of cheesemaking. The type of rennet used, the temperature, and the time it sits all influence the final cheese. Each variable can affect the texture, flavor, and type of cheese produced. The curds are then cut, stirred, and sometimes heated. This process helps to achieve the desired consistency and texture of the cheese. This process helps to remove excess whey and develop the cheese's texture. The more whey removed, the firmer the cheese will be. Finally, the cheese curds are pressed into molds, giving them their distinctive shapes. The molds are designed to create the specific form of the cheese. They might be rounds, blocks, or even wheels. Each shape can influence the aging process and final presentation of the cheese. Salt is usually added for flavor and preservation. It also helps to draw out moisture and enhance the cheese's texture. Then the cheese is left to age, sometimes for months or even years, allowing its unique flavors and aromas to develop. The aging process is where the true character of the cheese emerges, influenced by time, temperature, and environment. The world of cheese offers a stunning diversity of flavors and textures, each with its own unique characteristics and culinary uses. Soft cheeses like brie and camembert have a bloomy rind and a creamy interior. These cheeses are known for their rich, buttery flavors and smooth textures. They're best enjoyed at room temperature, which allows their full flavors to develop and their textures to soften perfectly. Hard cheeses, such as cheddar, Gruyere, and Parmesan, have a firmer texture and a longer shelf life. These cheeses are often aged for months or even years, intensifying their flavors. They can be enjoyed on their own, grated over pasta, or used in cooked dishes to add depth and richness. Blue cheeses, such as Roquefort and Gorgonzola, are characterized by their blue or green veins, which are created by introducing specific molds during the aging process. These molds contribute to their distinctive, bold flavors. They have a pungent aroma and a sharp, salty flavor that can be quite intense, making them a favorite for those who enjoy strong cheeses. Fresh cheeses, such as ricotta and mozzarella, are not aged and have a high moisture content. These cheeses are mild and creamy, often used in a variety of dishes. They're often used in salads, pasta dishes, or desserts, adding a light and fresh element to the meal. Processed cheeses, such as American cheese, are made by blending different types of cheese together. These cheeses are designed for convenience and versatility. While they may not have the same complex flavors as natural cheeses, they offer convenience and melt smoothly, making them ideal for sandwiches and burgers.